Yuanzhong, Chinese name of launch, is taken from the homonym of Yuan and Zhen in Yuanhong Lijian of Yiqian, which means completeness, beauty, and auspiciousness. Yuan represents the origin and development. Zheng has meaning of enterprising and conquest, and the English name launch means expedition, promotion, launch, and also means starting the action. It reflects the orientation and values of the founder, and also contains the spirit of each launch employee's continuous innovation. Starting from the first automobile diagnostic equipment with independent intellectual property rights in China, Launch has been filling the gap in domestic auto repair equipment and becoming a leading enterprise in promoting the innovation of the automobile aftermarket. From 2 people to more than 1,000 employees, from Chinese brand to global brand, Launch has dozens of branches around the world, and the business covers more than 200 countries and regions around the world. In 1992, the founders Liu Yizhi and Liu Zhengzhi established a launch in Shenzhen with curiosity and an adventurous spirit for designing software. In 1994, Launch took the lead by releasing the automobile inspiration tool Electric Eye LE100, which had epoch-making significance. In 1999, Launch took the lead by launching an engine analyzer and 2D four-wheel aligner. In 2002, the X431 came out and quickly became a world-renowned automotive diagnostic product. In the same year, Launch would successfully listed the growth enterprise market of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange and issued 8 shares with the stock code 8196, becoming the first private enterprise in Guangdong province to issue 8 shares in Hong Kong. In 2004, Launch invested and established the world's leading lift production base in Shanghai. In 2006, Launch headquarters, the Shenzhen Launch Industrial Park, covering an area of 80 acres, was completed. In 2007, Launch won the second prize of the National Science and Technology Progress Award for research on key technology of vehicle comprehensive performance testing, development of serious products, and its industrialization. In 2009, Launch took the lead in developing the first 3D four-wheel aligner in China. In 2011, Launch successfully transferred from the growth enterprise market of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange to the main board, stock code 2488. In 2018, Launch released the automobile diagnosis data platform, using big data to change the auto repair industry. In 2019, Launch ranked 6th in the world in the number of patents for blockchain innovations, and in the same year, SmartLink Remote Diagnosis was released. Launch is determined to make the global auto repair factory has no vehicles that cannot be repaired. In 2020, Launch building Xi'an was caved. In 2021, Launch released a comprehensive maintenance solution for new energy vehicles. In 2022, Launch building in Nanjing starts construction. The current Launch, in line with a corporate culture of pleasing customers at the core, creating value for shareholders, and being prosperous with employees, is straighting forward with a spirit continuous innovation. Now, Launch's equipment covers passenger cars, commercial vehicles, and new energy vehicles. while maintaining the market share of passenger vehicle and commercial vehicle diagnosis and maintenance equipment. Launch continues to increase its R&D investment in new energy vehicle diagnosis and maintenance equipment. Launch has also become a global one-stop auto maintenance equipment supplier, providing complete auto maintenance equipment solutions for global auto repair companies, covering automotive diagnostic and testing equipment, tires and maintenance equipment, leaf and maintenance tools, smart vehicle inspection and calibration tools. Our customers include auto repair shops, auto mechanic schools, environmental protection departments, insurance companies, automotive OEMs, Department of Motor Vehicles, traffic police, used car dealers, Internet of Vehicle service providers, repairmen, and individual vehicle owners. After 30 years of hard work, Launch currently has 8 branches, 2 offices, and nearly 200 distributors in China. Launch also has many overseas branches and offices and more than 200 distributors all over the world, which forms a global network sales channels. As of July 2022, the cumulative sales volume of Launch diagnostic equipment and tools has reached nearly 10 million units. The daily active diagnostic equipment number exceeds 200,000 units. The diagnostic vehicles cover nearly 200 million units, and the diagnostic software has been upgraded about 800 million times. The number of car diagnostic reports collected has exceeded 1 billion and is growing at a rate of more than 500,000 per day, and the total demand of SmartLink remote diagnosis access is nearly 400,000. Launch regards its talent staff as the source of power for development. It has a professional R&D team of hundreds of people in the industry, with R&D personnel accounting for more than 50%, and has established a global R&D system. As of June 2022, Launch has applied for 3,108 patents and has 737 valid authorized patents, including 641 inventions, 342 PCT patents, 35 international authorized patents, and 59 software copyrights. There are 881 registered trademarks applied and 643 registered trademarks were approved, including 234 domestically approved registrations and 409 international ones. Through 30 years of development, Launch has been highly recognized by society, industry, and customers. Launch X431 was identified as National Torque Program Project and Top Product of the Year in the United Kingdom. X431 Diagon was awarded Service Innovation in Germany. Meanwhile, Launch was awarded Top 5 Radar Recognition Award by Tech Shop in the United States and Red Star Design Award in China. Launch regards to quality as life. In the past 30 years, Launch has passed the strict quality certification of various countries, such as ISO 9001 Quality System Certification, IATF 16949 Quality System Certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certificate, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certificate, helping the business to reach a higher level. In the future, Launch will utilize new technologies such as big data, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and edge computing to vigorously develop automobile maintenance equipment. At the same time, Launch will make every effort to enter the new energy vehicle service business, strengthen user operations, build a new business model, establish an open and unified auto maintenance service ecological platform, and build auto service ecology with partners. In the future, Launch will strive to empower the automotive industry and strive to become an intelligent platform company. In the future, Launch will take delighting customers as its strategy, listen to the voice of customers, exceed customers' expectations, and become an enterprise that truly understands customer needs. In the future, Launch will continue to increase investment in the research and development of new energy business. Use the courage and the spirit of continuous innovation, an attitude to never stop climbing to the peak, and contribute to the development of new energy vehicles. We are fortunate to meet every tolerant and kind customer, every sincere and friendly partner, and every employee along the way. Thank you. We believe that in the past 30 years, Launch has made brilliant achievements. Launch has also embarked on a new journey for the future.